Hello friends, are you looking for AutoCAD job? Means you have good idea about how to draw a plan of a building, elevation of a building, section of a building, but you are not getting job. So how to get a job? I will tell you in this video completely. So for this you need to watch this video completely. Do not skip this video in the middle. So I will I will give you the much more clarity on this. So by using the two website like Fiverr as well as Guru, but the Fiverr I will give you the much more clarity on this Fiverr that you will get a job in this. Means getting job means not only job you will get, you will earn minimum project or per project you will get $20 to $120, but this $120 is not fixed. It is much more than what you desire. Means this $120 will be increment, it will be increases up to, it depends on you how you can do, how you can do your job, and if you are very good on that you will earn much more money on this. So let's start this video completely. I will tell you, just go to your Google Chrome, just click it and okay it. Go and write here Fiverr, enter it. After clicking this, you can see here Fiverr freelance service marketplace for business. So here the Fiverr's mission is to change how the world works together. So just go and click it here. After that, what you need to do means, see here, grow your influence challenge. So here I need to log out this previous ID here. You can see here what it says, start selling on Fiverr. Means this site will sell your project. Means some customer will demand from you plan, elevation, section, and you need to sell to them. So how you sell means here you can join with this. If you have joined with your email address, now I need to join with my email like here I am typing. You also need to type here your Gmail ID. So I have my Gmail ID like this. Now just go and click it at the rate gmail.com. So with the help of your Gmail ID, you just go and click it here. Now you need to keep a username. So choose a username, whatever the username you want to place, you can. So I'm going to keep a username as a Suman G. So this will be 6 character. Look like this username is already taken, please. So just go and click it DEVI. So this also already taken. You can see Suman Roniar. This is not. Now your password. For password I will hide this. You also do your own. Now go for join. See here both have ticked. Now I have joined. You can see this is my profile dashboard and all. So you just drag completely downward. If you have drag completely downward, you can see it here, sign up and create your first gig today. So just go and get started. I have started my gig today. Now what it says here, ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. So learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish your gig. Means I am a seller, not a client. So I need a customer to purchase my project, whatever I did for them. So that person, your customer will order you, and according to that you need to draw or you need to do. So I'm going to continue this. Now you can see this take your time creating your profile, add credibility like this. Just go and continue. After that again go for continue. Now it says that your personal information, you can see Fiverr. If you are a seller, means you want to post some AutoCAD plans. According to that, the customer will impress on you, and that will be that that customer needs, and the customer will hire you for their building plans. So here you need to fill some, you can see personal information, professional information, linked accounts, account security, that the things it says. So first name, just go with the SUMAN, that's depend on you whatever you have. So go with the RAUNIYAR. Please enter your full name. Okay, now, sorry, this is first name. Now go with the last name, RA. You also do your own. Now profile picture, you need to keep your profile picture so that your client will understand you. So I need to keep my profile. This is the demo class which I am going to tell you now, so no need to get a panic. Open this. So I will keep any amount of this. You will also do your same, also do your own. So this is for demo class. For that, so you can see I have added my profile picture. Now after that, description, share a bit about your work experience, school project you have completed. So in this you need to add everything, minimum 150 characters. So what you are studying, I am a civil engineer, like that. I have working since 2 years. Cool project, that project which I have done here, like this you need to tell everything. Minimum 150 character you need to explain here. The things you need to explain it much more briefly and beautifully, so that only your client will be attracted towards you. After that, just go and continue. So this is mandatory here, red star is there. So you write your own and I will be writing my own. As you can see, I am a civil engineer. I have good knowledge in AutoCAD for drawing plans, elevation, sections, site plan, column layout. I have completed AutoCAD training from Autodesk as well as SourceCAD. I have more than 10 certificate of AutoCAD. I have completed ETABS course for structural design as well as I have knowledge of Revit architecture. I have good experience in drawing plans. I have given a lot of plans to the clients, and some work has been done and some of the work is going on. After that, just go and continue it. You can see your occupation means what you are going to draw in this. You are AutoCAD draftsman, so go for graphic and design, architecture and floor plans. What will you draw? So from, you just go and 2019 means from where you are working, means minimum 2 years experience they need. So if you do not have 2 years, then 1 years also it will be run. Add skills. What skills? Experience level, I am an intermediate, so I'm not a expert not a beginner, I have done. So which college you have gained this information means which college you are studying, from which city, country of the college you have studied. So actually I have studied in from India, so go for India. I don't know about yours. Major, civil engineering, civil engineering, C, civil engineering. Year, in which year you have done, that year they need. So I have done in 2020. So here 2019, and here from 2019 to 2020, it's fine. College, university, JNTU. So you can see it here, JNTU Kakinada. I have clicked it here. Now after that, certificate, any certificate you have been awarded. No, I haven't. So provide a link if you have your own professional website. No, I don't have. Go for continue. It says make sure you have added your years of experience and 2 to 5 of your strongest skill. Add new. Just go for other and click it here. If you have any more, if you have any one, choose 2 to 5 of your best skill in this. So whatever you have, if you do not have any skills, just go for your interest. So branding, service, career advice, so go for career advice, that will be good for you. So market research, relationship advice, keep as a order. After that, just go and go with the continue. It again says you that make sure please add at least one skill here. AutoCAD, which skill do you have? Just go with the AutoCAD here, because your work will be in AutoCAD, right? Just go with here AutoCAD 2D. If you know about 3D also, I'm an intermediate. Just go and continue. Here you can see, here you just go with the digital marketing here. First of all, you have already selected here graphic and design. You can go with the writing and translation year from 19, just go with the 2020. Now article and blog posts. So in this, do you know any more? Resume and cover letters. Now what, please at least one skills I have added. Go with the continue. Now add any relevant education details that will help customer to get know you better. Title it says. So what title? Title means here you have did BTech or PE. So here no option or diploma. It doesn't shows any option. Go with the other. After that, what you need to do here, it was says that add at least one more, means you just add new. Here by adding you will get here to cancel. Go add it, means what type of suggestion? Architectural design. I know the architectural, I am the intermediate. Now go with the continue. You can see it has been selected. Now you need to link your account. See here, and here also completion rate, it's only 20%. After that, what you need to do, connect with the, if you have these all account, that will be very good for you. If you do not have any of these, means if you do not want to log in, means link with this all, you once you click it here continue, you can see this account security, means this email is not verified, so go for verify. Just click it here. After that, what you need, you can, this email has not been verified, your you can add your phone number here. So I am not using this. See, edit profile. So you are almost done, 40% only, but the minimum completion rate of 65%. So that I need to add my phone number also. So I will add my phone number. You also add your phone number. As you can see, verify by SMS. Something went wrong, check your number, try again. So you need to provide. So like this you need to go. See here the completion rate is 40%. Like this, if you have add your phone number, you will get some verification code to your phone, and after that if you log in, this all will be completed, and you need to log in with your username and password. After that you need to post like this. I am going to tell you. See, nothing. See it here, switch to billing, buying. So here, go to dashboard. After that, see, if you have added like this type of things will be open to your desktop, means to your computer. Here dashboard, message, orders, if any order will become. So here the order will be like this, and you need to take this order and work on this. If you have delivered like this, it has been delivered. completed. If anything has been cancelled like this, steered. So new, priority, to whom you need to give a priority. So dashboard, here see whatever you have written here, this will be comes down to the inbox. So if will be text, if somebody will text you, that will be here. So this is the Fiber Pros, means you can go with the premium also. See, in the same way, your your plan will be also like this. After completion of this account security and all that, it will says everything to you, and by reading all these things you will get, and according to that you need to complete your task. So if you have again any doubt, so actually I have got some problem here, my phone number is not getting verified, so that I am not able to complete this level, because if I have login with this Google account as well as my Facebook, Twitter, that will be comes under more than 65%. So I am eligible to do that. Actually I have already made my account over here. You can see in the name of Prem Gupta. Here manage request, post a request, FIBA business. You can increase your business like this also. So if you go to the profile, this type of profile will become. So member since August 2020, today's date, unbadged, this will be for premium. So description, whatever I have written here, that will be shown here. I have linked with these two only. So I have suggest the things skills, I have AutoCAD 2D, Adobe Photoshop, AutoCAD 3D, suggestion, architectural designer, design, interior design, education. These things will become, and the post will be, if you have completed with this, it says something to reach. See, I have written, if you have go with this, it will says you to go with the graphic design. These all are graphic design, as you have already did here. I have, you need to upload some photos as well as your JPG file, so that will be shown to you. According to that you need to do. Here I have uploaded my building plan. It will be said to you that you need to upload some plans also, as well as this I have uploaded. According to that only the client or the customer will give me, and they will give me the order, and according to that order I will deliver that. So it will be shown to you for how much dollar you want to do the work for the person or the customer. So I have, and it will be says to you that how many days it will be take for delivery. I have keep here 2 days. You can go with the 3, 4, 5 like that. There will be this lot of option, you can go with this. So starting $10, contact seller, this will be the things. So I hope you all like this video. For that, this is a very good platform if you really want to earn money in this. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel.